That's our security guard. This is my hotel lobby. I'm going to Boston Logan Airport today. It's outside. Looks a little foggy, hazy, whatever this is. I don't know what this truck's doing, but yeah. So today I'm going to Washington, D.C. Was supposed to go back home to Denver, but got a last minute job. So yeah, enjoy the video. Here we go. This is where you get dropped off. I think this is exactly where we got picked up. So this is a long little walk to the airport itself. Hi Cam. Hi Mason. Alaska, there's nobody. Southwest, there's nobody. Makes it really quick to check in. So on this flight, I'm actually going to Newark. So it's going to be that flight or this flight? Let's double check. I think it's the second one. Yeah. UA369. So that's this flight. That's me. B29 on time. And this appears to be security. I'm gonna have to get off my phone. This guy looks like he's checking everything. That guy literally just checked my boarding pass to tell me I was TS free. I'm like, yeah, I know I am. And then I continued on. All right, made it through security. B29, that's where this one starts, or you go the opposite way. Let's take a look out here, see what we got. Oh, look at that. B29, there's my plane. A lot of these places are closed. I got my favorite kind of donut at Dunkin' Donuts. It's what they call a munchkin. It's like a little circle. Go and grab one out. So I was trying to show you. Maybe that plane wasn't our plane. It's already on. I just pushed back. Like this. So it's a different flight. You see him pushing back right there. Our plane just showed up. I upgraded my seat just a couple minutes ago, so I'm sitting a little closer so I can get off faster. Maybe a better view for the fog. So you're already about to see that on a 737-900, 11A is really not a window seat. Don't go for it. Skip it. It's my window. So yeah, I shouldn't have upgraded. Live and learn. Had I had a window, this would have been a great spot, but the weather actually wasn't that great today anyways, so I guess I didn't miss too much, but I tried to do the best I can, even though I have to hold this in a really weird position by leaning really forward, and really I'm using the window of the person in front of me, so enjoy the rest of the flight. that sucked to not have a great seat, but sometimes it's just the way it is. It was cloudy and foggy, whatever, so didn't get the best views anyways. But hey, if you like this video, be sure to hit like, then subscribe, see more videos like this in the future. Until then, take flight.